this is the signal conditioning circuit for the thermocouple experiment, which is present inside the trainer kit. Now, if we look part by part and try to see the various electronic components which are present here, right over here we would want the display for the temperature, and this is the compensated temperature value which should be displayed in a digital panel meter. So it must be preceded by an analog to digital converter, which is not shown here because this part of the circuit is completely analog in nature. Coming to this portion of the circuit, we can find that this is a voltage divider followed by a buffer amplifier or a voltage follower. Then you have a potentiometer, and the resistance of this could be varied in order to set the voltage at this node to be equal to negative 0.273 volts. You have an additional temperature sensor which is used for the cold junction compensation, and this is the 8590 IC temperature sensor. So the relation between temperature and the output current for this sensor is given by 273 plus ambient temperature, and the unit is in microamperes where TA is in degree centigrade. This is followed by an inverting amplifier. Down here we have the thermocouple. So this is the junction where we want to measure the process temperature, which should be what should be displayed right over here in the DPM meter, and this is relative to the cold junction temperature being at room temperature or ambient temperature TA, followed by this voltage follower or buffer amplifier. Again you have an inverting amplifier here where the feedback resistance is a combination of R10 and R15, where R15 is a potentiometer. And moving over here, this portion we can identify this as an inverting adder. This is one arm which is at the voltage of VAD, and the node voltage down here is VTH. Now, the thermocouple that we will use in the experiment is the J-type thermocouple, and it's made of iron and constantan, and the sensitivity over some range of linearity is given by 50 microvolts per degree centigrade. So this is the sensitivity value that I have taken from Liptak's book, volume 1. With the 8590 IC temperature sensor, the range of temperature measurement is between negative 55 degree centigrade to plus 150 degree centigrade. And this is understandable because this is a semiconductor temperature sensor. This is extremely linear temperature sensor where the sensitivity is given by 1 microampere per Kelvin. This is a 2-terminal device, and the DC voltage range, the supply voltage, can be fixed between 4 to 30 volts.